Hey, it's Anissa. Today I have for you the Bright White's Teeth Whitening Kit. Now this is the affordable way to get a professional style teeth whitening treatment in the convenience of your own home. Let's face it, a smile is one of the first things that people notice about you. This kit has everything you need to turn your teeth 2 shades whiter. Wow, that's pretty amazing. The secret to this kit is the LED whitening light that accelerates the gel. And let's talk about the gel. The gel is made of all natural ingredients, and this whole kit is made in an FDA facility. Now we're all familiar with Crest whitening strips. I have to tell you, I can't use them. I use a strip just one time and my teeth become so sensitive. With this, I don't have that issue. One thing I noticed is the instruction manual is kind of hard to follow. Let me tell you the correct way to use this. Now when you get your kit, the first thing you need to do is remove the plastic tab from the battery compartment. Make sure you wash and dry the mouthpiece before each use. Then you attach it to the LED whitening light. Then take the syringe and gently remove the white cap. You want to take about 1/4 of the syringe and spread it around the top of the mouth guard, and then take another 1/4 of the syringe and spread it on the bottom part of the mouth guard. Then simply place it in your mouth, bite down, and push the button on the LED whitening light. Now you only want to use the light for 10 minutes, but you can keep the tray in your mouth for up to 30 minutes. So when you're done with the syringe, you want to make sure you use the cap to seal it. Now what I really like is the including whitening guide, so you can track your progress. You are going to love your new white teeth, but what you're going to love even more is our super low price. This same kit sells everywhere online for $50, but you're not going to pay anywhere near that. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab a couple kits today.